Welcome to the second lesson for Boots by Yvonne Adair, one of the RCM level Prep A repertoire pieces. Today we are going to be learning how to play line 2. We are focusing on line 2 of Boots. That means that we're playing everything from these last two notes of measure 4 all the way to the end of the line. The very first thing I would like to look at is where our hands should be. And your hands do not need to move from where they were for the last part that we learned in Boots. So you are still going to be with both of your hands above middle C. There's still two treble clefs over here. And your left hand thumb is going to be on G with a pinky on middle C, and your right hand thumb is going to be on treble C above it with a pinky on G. So your hands will look like this. This is middle C right here. Now, the next thing I would like to look at is the rhythm of this section. So you'll notice that you have eighth notes in this section, just like we did in the last section. Remember, eighth notes look like this. They have a bar that attaches them, and they say T-T. So the rhythm of this section goes T-T, ta, ta, rest, T-T, ta, ta, rest, rest, ta, rest, ta, rest. So let's take a look at how we would tap this. Go ahead and watch this time. 1, 2, 3. T, T, ta, ta, rest, T, T, ta, ta, rest, rest, ta, rest, ta, rest. Great, can you clap it with or tap it with me? 1, 2, ready, go. T, T, ta, ta, rest, T, T, ta, ta, rest, rest, ta, rest, ta, rest. Great. Now let's take a look at the notes for the right hand. So the right hand should have a thumb on treble C. It starts with the third finger and it's going to step up, skip down, and jump to your pinky. So 3, 4, 2, 5. Go ahead and do that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 2, 5. And you'll notice that on that last note of this little part, there's a line over the note, and that line is called a tenuto mark. What that means is to push deeply into the key and to hold the note down for its full value. So that is a longer note than the short ones before it. Do that with me one more time. T, T, ta, ta. Good. The next part, we start on your second finger and we go 2, 3, 1, 5. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 5. Good. Now after that, we have 2 rest beats and we go 4, 2. Do that with me. Ready, go. 4, 2. So the whole right hand part looks like this. 3, 4, 2, 5. 2, 3, 1, 5. 4, 2. Try it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 2, 5, rest. 2, 3, 1, 5, rest, rest, 4, rest, 2, rest. Good. Go ahead and pause the video and practice that 2 more times on your own. Now let's take a look at what happens in the left hand for this part. It starts with your fingers 1 and 2 playing 2 staccato notes like this. And then it goes to 1 and 3, and they play together like this. And then you play 4, 2. Good. Try that with me. So first 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, then 4, 2. Great. If you need to, pause the video and practice that a couple more times. If you're ready to move on, that is okay also. We're going to put our hands together one little bit at a time. So the first little bit looks like this. 3, 4, 2, 5. And And you'll notice that bounce, land is when I play my 1 and 2 together. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 2, 5. Good. The next part is 2, 3, 1, 5. So you'll notice this is where 1 and 3 go together, and it's on the same part, the bounce land. 1, 2, with me, go. 2, 3, 1, land. Good. And then we play both 4s, both 2s. Try that part with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 2. Great. So all together it looks like this. 3, 4, 2, 5, rest. 2, 3, 1, 5, rest, rest. 4s and 2s. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 2, 5, rest. 2, 3, 1, 5, rest, rest. 4s and 2s. Great. I'd like you to pause the video and work on that 2 more times on your own. The last thing I'd like to talk about with this section is that the dynamics have changed. In the last section, our dynamics were forte, but in this section, we have dropped down to piano. So we're going to play this very quietly. And in order to play staccatos quietly, we need to stay really close to the keys. So it's like this. Can you try it with me really quietly? 1, 2, ready, go. And that is it for line 2 of Boots. Here is your practice plan for Boots. You should practice this piece 5 minutes a day. First, I would like you to focus on line 2. Play it 3 different ways, focusing on the correct notes and then the correct rhythms and then the legato and staccato markings. Once you feel proficient in that area, play lines 1 and 2 together with the same focus points. That's it. You have completed lesson 2 for Boots and you know how to play lines 1 and 2 now. Thank you for watching.